Is it time to buy or sell Dynavax Technologies stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Dynavax Technologies. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Dynavax Technologies as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.4. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.39%. This translates to an average return of 1.46% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a strong and broad upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further rise within this trend is anticipated. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, we foresee a potential change of approximately 12.27% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 7.05% to 20.52%. Expanding our view to the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around negative 9.21%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 25.23% and positive 14.4% over the coming year. In practical terms, this suggests that the future price could be somewhere between $8.19 and $12.49. Our latest daily update for Dynavax Technologies includes the headline, Dynavax Technologies Corporation stock price up more than 5.09% on Thursday. The Dynavax Technologies Corporation stock price gained 5.09% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, rising from $10.42 to $10.95. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.05% with a low of $10.90 and a high of $11.45. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 0.99% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. With a total of 4 million more shares traded compared to the day before. In total, 4 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $48.49 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $14.63. While the lowest was $9.22. Currently, the price is 25.15%, or $3.68, below the 52-week high, and 55.21%, or $13.50, below the all-time high on the 5th of October, 2017, when the price reached $24.45. Dynavax has just delivered a double dose of good news. Early results from Part 1 for its shingles candidate Z-1018 indicate immune responses comparable to the market leader Shingrix, while also showcasing a better tolerability profile. Notably, there was a 100% humoral response at the selected dose. Management has decided to advance this dose into Part 2 of the Phase 1/2 trial in older adults later this year. This clinical news comes alongside a strong performance in the second quarter, with record Heplisav-B net product revenue of $92 million, representing 31% year-over-year growth, a narrowed revenue guide for 2025, and an earnings beat, in addition to a recently completed buyback of $200 million. Governance uncertainty has also eased following the board vote this summer. In the near term, expect an upside in share price as the market adjusts to the reduced clinical risk and expanding cash generation. Buybacks and improved guidance are likely to support multiple expansions. Over the longer term, if Z-1018 proves effective in larger trials and maintains a superior safety profile compared to Shingrix, Dynavax could capture significant market share and justify a higher valuation. However, Primary risks persist, including early-stage data, regulatory hurdles, entrenched competition, and the necessity to demonstrate durable efficacy and scalable commercialization. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 8th of August 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned DVAX an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned DVAX an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned DVAX a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned DVAX a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 28th of June 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned DVAX a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Dynavax Technologies stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Dynavax Technologies. The Dynavax Technologies Corporation stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal arising from the comparison of these averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, some support is expected at the levels of $10.69 and $10.83. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. Nonetheless, some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, July 25, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 3.61%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. GIVITS, sell signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Dynavax Technologies. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $10.33 and $9.99. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Dynavax Technologies Corporation finds support just below today's level at $10.33. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $9.99 and $9.91. This stock has average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 550 cents between its high and low, or 5.05%. For the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.99%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Dynavax Technologies, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. While even well-established companies can endure downturns, often due to external factors, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 14 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Dynavax Technologies. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Dynavax Technologies is at $11.06. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Dynavax Technologies faces its first support level at $10.33. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Dynavax Technologies from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of June, 2025, Lauren P. Silvernail conducted an insider purchase of 1,439 shares of common stock. On the same day, Lauren P. Silvernail also conducted an insider purchase of 7,125 shares of stock options, which are the rights to buy. On the 11th of June, 2025, Daniel L. Kisner conducted an insider purchase of 28,500 shares of stock options, which are the rights to buy. On the same day, Daniel L. Kisner conducted an insider purchase of 5,758 shares of common stock. On the 11th of June, 2025, Scott Dunseth Myers conducted an insider purchase of 5,758 shares of common stock as well. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 49.116. Overall, insiders purchased 1,743,221 shares and sold 518,860 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.51, representing a decline of 4.03%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 19 days ago. Is Dynavax Technologies stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Dynavax Technologies Corporation stock to perform well in the near future. As a result, we have updated our analysis from a hold to a buy recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our assessment indicates that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, the 22nd of August, we anticipate that Dynavax Technologies will open higher by 15 cents, starting at $11.10. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.